Okay, so I'm going for my first solo L39 flight and first flight in and out of Alpine.
Okay, once you come up on the left, you take the lead on the left.
This is cool.
See if I remember how to do this. It's been a week. Okay, let's just go and start the Sapphire. Oh, you know what? I'm gonna have to unbuckle to get my, you get it?
Okay, so I'm going for my first solo L39 flight and first flight in and out of Alpine. Gonna do a little formation with the PC-9.
The lead's crossing over to the right.
With Tom. It's a Top Gun flight today. Tom's the former commander of Top Gun. So it's kind of fun to learn from the real pros.
Okay, one set. Alpine traffic, flight of 995 Mike Kilos, flight of 2. Be departing runway 31. And flight of 2 northbound, Alpine.
Okay, everything's looking good. Airspeed's high, we got 60 knots. Looking for about 105. That's 90. 100. Gears coming up. 120. I got him. Put this down. You'll be able to see a little bit better. 140 going flaps up. Come back on the power just a touch.
2 yup.
Hey, farm.
Switch 2995. Up, come back, go.
2. 2.
Okay, we'll steady up 320. Speed's coming up to 180.
356 would be like almost 2,000 feet. Oh yeah, I love this airplane. Look at those clouds, this is insane.
Leveling at 10. And going from 180 towards 200.
12 o'clock, high, less than 1 mile.
Come to this open area up in the Swan Valley here for, keep the running rendezvous, and then I'll start an easy left turn to get you aboard.
Okay.
Okay, so what you want to do is bring it right on up to the bearing line and then go ahead and give me a cross under. Good looking plane.
From a distance.
Okay, go ahead and cross under.
So for airshow formation maneuvering with FFI or FAST, we tend to standardize things in one particular way just to keep it simple, and maneuvers tend to be non-aerobatic in nature. In the military, they tend to have a few different ways to do things for different situations, and maneuvering tends to be a lot more aggressive. Today with Tom, we're going to work on some more aggressive rejoins where we're just getting up and in a little bit faster. We're going to break up, going to get in trail, and then we're going to rendezvous. Practice that a couple times.
I'm pretty well set. I'm off to the right just a little bit, but I'm pretty set.
Remember, the first thing, you got to get way up on the bearing line first. So use your power to get way up there. And come on up to, and I'm just climbing on you a little bit here, so let me get back down. There you go. A little further forward for the line. That's good. Call it. That's a little suction.
We're each going to make a 90-degree turn a few seconds apart to break up, get in trail, and then Tom will start a turn, which we basically cut off to get in there and get up on kind of a very aggressive bearing line as we come in and rendezvous much more quickly than we would in a kind of standard FFI or fast rejoin.
See that your speed's good. I'm a little slow. It's 210,000, a little bit of a press for me here.
Pretty cool getting formation instruction in a jet from the Commander of TOPGUN.
I'll try for about 210. That might work better for you.
Yeah, I'm pretty far back on the power at the moment.
Yeah, we'll try for a little. I'll try my best on the power here to give you what Okay, your speed rate's still out there. We'll do the left 90 here.
Two's in.
Okay, 210 on the speed. This might work better. I'm giving about 220 now. That might work good for you. Greg, you want another 2345? Yeah, working up the bearing line again. Use all that power you got to work the bearing line first, then start coming in. 215.
This oxygen mask is a little too big for my face, so it kind of rests on my nose. Makes it hard to make it sound very nasal to talk. Trying to get an exchange, but they haven't gotten back to me.
See, that's way too far back.
So kind of pull more to the inside of the turn. Like this.
That's it. Now keep, there you go. Now come on up there. When you come up, it's going to get rid of that speed. There's a good bearing line.
Had a little too much speed.
Okay, yeah, you're idle forward, 220 on the speed. You're free to move left side, right side, whatever it takes.
Now we'll do a little in-trail maneuvering where the maneuvers get a lot more aggressive. We're basically just sort of following the leader through all sorts of aerobatic maneuvers. We'll do that for a little bit.
155 over the top here.
Now we'll switch leads, and I'll kind of lead Tom through some of the same maneuvers, let him get some wing time.
Okay, once you come up on the left, you take the lead on the left. You can do some of the same thing with me, and you have the lead.
Okay, I have the lead.
So we'll drop him off back at the airport and go do some fun low-level maneuvering in the mountains. A little formation with an S211. Check out some of my favorite places, and then land, because that's about all the fuel we've got in this thing.
This is cool.
Okay, good. Let's reverse. Let's go back to the field. You gotta get rid of those pylons.
Yeah, it's a lot of extra drag.
Drag, yeah. Some guys are flying without the tips too, I think.
The tips are nice. You don't have a lot of gas without them.
No, you stay real close to home.
What I do need is a little better fitting oxygen mask.
Yeah. The boom mic's good for quite a while. You gotta get that set up.
Yeah, I need to get a setup where I can switch between them.
Yep.
Do you want to retake the lead for the overhead, since I'll break off and you'll be landing?
Yeah, and you can stay on the left, and I'll break right for 1-3.
Okay.
I've got the lead on the right.
You have the lead.
Let's go 22-9. Okay, 3018 on the altimeter. Alpine traffic. Lattice 995 my kilos, about 4 miles north, inbound 13. Right brake, visual overhead. Alpine, latitude. And Alpine traffic helicopter 40 Whiskey is just a couple miles to the east of the field, doing a Mount Goat survey low level. Alpine traffic, Lattice 995 my kilo on flight. Latitude, inbound 13. Right brake, visual overhead. Alpine. 1 second.
That's the Matt you don't expect.
Are you flying the L39?
Oh yeah, it's Matt Gusmiller.
I'm just starting up the Marchetti. Let's see how long you're up there for.
Okay, I'll probably be up another 20 minutes or so. And Alpine traffic, that helicopter, are you just used to the field, or you have the Snake or the Grays?
Canadian towards, going towards Jackson right now. We'll kind of be all over the face here of the Palisade. And Alpine traffic, and I'm running at the Marchetti departing.
My word, it is beautiful out here. Marchetti, where you at?
Just,
Okay, I'm just over the reservoir about, probably 4 or 5 miles off the end of the runway at 88, or 7800.
I got you on the CCAT. You got plenty of room. You good?
Yep. Right here. I'll go wherever you want to go.
Yeah, well, it doesn't like we can go too much further into that mess.
Yeah, it doesn't look too pretty.
I'm coming to the right a little bit.
Okay, so we got 60 minutes of fuel remaining. I'm gonna do one more little pass through the mountains over here. I'm gonna come back and land.